Hi and welcome to my channel. And yes, I must probably get what you're all thinking. Wow, this woman only does a video once a month. Okay, so that basically at the moment is kind of true. I have only been doing my beauty boxes and I do apologise for that. It's just I've been, that was stressed out and my training's been so intense that I haven't had really any time to do any videos, and with the kids' middle school, even worse. But my training's really intense and it's tiring at the minute, but I'm on track with it all. My diet's good finally, because I was struggling with a bloated belly, but yeah, I'm back on track. So hopefully I'm gonna get a ring light and start doing like my makeup videos again. I really do like doing them. It's just I just really haven't had the time. Anyway, let's bring it back to what this video is about. So my Look Incredible box came today and I'm really tired. It's been a long day. I've only just eaten and it is like, time are we on? 4:25 and I've only just eaten my first meal. So yeah, it's been a long day because we had to take our son to the hospital to save out his eyes. So anyway, what is in here? So I open it up and there's a nice couple of, there's a few things in here. I don't know where the little thing is. Right, epic fail. I'll be right back. Right, sorry about that. I had a sneak peek. Yeah, I know. Before I did this video, and I forgot the card. So, without further ado, let's have a look. So, the first thing that I can see is biggish box. It says botanicals, turmeric antioxidant overnight treatment mask. So look at this. And the packaging looks like this. Overnight treatment mask. Use as an intense overnight treatment or a 10-minute ultra hydrating mask for smooth, renewed looking skin. Might have to give this a whirl. Ooh. Oh, it smells beautiful. It smells really nice, and that definitely is a full-size product. You can definitely see. And it all looks, oh yeah, it is, obviously it's like vegan stuff. It says vegan friendly on the box. That's the first item. The next item we have is tarte, whatever you want to say it. The only thing I'm good about with this is it's an eyeliner. And we all know with me, my eyes water, my eyeliner doesn't stay unless I get the gel eyeliner by Maybelline. I could give this a try, but it does say double take eyeliner. It doesn't say, it's in black also, high performance naturals. It doesn't say if it's waterproof or not, so I don't really know. But anyway, so one end is your like kind of crayony kind, and then the other side is like a felt tip kind. One way to test the water, what I normally do is I put it on my hand and I let it dry and I'll see how quick it rubs off. Yeah, so there is that. Obviously if you hear any background noise, that's just my children. So anyway, so let's try this. You can see it's starting to rub off. And I could give it a try. It's not like rubbed off like really easy, but like this eyeliner does tend to like start falling out, but it does stay really good. So the third item is a melted latex Too Faced liquefied high shine lipstick. The last box I got Too Faced like lip gloss metallic thing. I don't know if this is the same one, if it's different. I know this is different, but I have been like wearing that and I really do like it. But like I've never had any Too Faced stuff, so this is what it looks like. It's a nice colour as well. What colour is this? Strange Love. Ooh. It smells nice. I'm not gonna put it on just yet. I'm not in the mood for lipstick. But you know. But it's really, really nice packaging. Joe, I've got to admit, I am so glad that I did come to this box because of the makeup aspect of it. And like when I do come back to making my videos, yes, when I come back to making my videos, at least like, you know, I've got more to go on with. I don't know if this will dry down or it'll stay sticky. Ooh, what's in here? Right, so let's... Damn. So anyway, ooh, this is a Becca Ombre Rouge eye palette. Never had anything from Becca, I do not believe. I'm saying that's what I love about this. It's stuff I wouldn't buy or I've never heard of. Or you get it in this box and you can try it. Lovely, lovely. Ooh, you see me in there. It's lovely, lovely metallic packaging. Ooh, get a nice mirror in there also, and then you get all these shades. They feel really soft. Could definitely do an eye look with these. Don't know if you can see them. Yeah, I should definitely do an eye look with these. I have said this about other makeup I've got. Actually, I could do that and the lipstick. I will do that. I will definitely do a follow-up on this palette. I'm just hoping that these colours will stand out with my now brown skin. By looking at it, this lipstick is not going to attack down. It's going to stay sticky. Do I like sticky lipsticks? Not really. But I'll still give it a go. So without further ado, let's have a look at this bad guy. So the August Deluxe edition, because this is the deluxe box, £35 a month, and you get 4 items. Right, so Dr. Botanicals turmeric treatment mask 50ml retails at £44. Now straight off out of the box you've got your money's worth, because it's £35 a box, so you've already gained like, you know, £10. So we believe oils and plant extracts can make the genuine difference to skin, never tested on animals. This range embodies our belief in the potent power of botanicals. The main active ingredients in formulations are turmeric root extract, aims to even out skin tones and is high in antioxidants that work to nourish and protect the skin. Ooh, definitely will try this. Pomegranate enzymes have great anti-aging properties that aims to smoothen the look of fine lines and wrinkles as well as soften and restore the skin. Shea butter is a natural seed butter that contains high amount of fatty acids, is well known for its skin hydrating and nourishing properties. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna try that out. Why not? You know, it came in my box, £44. I've never even heard of it, but I like trying new things. The Tarte or Tarteist double eyeliner, £21. Get the perfect wing every time with this gel and liquid. Oh, so it's a gel. That one's tied to gel. Partners in Line, this best-selling vegan, not tested on animals, we like that. Dual-ended eyeliner that has waterproof liquid and gel formula, so it does say it is waterproof. And I could give it a try on the video when I do. Yeah, I could use all the items apart from obviously the mask, because, you know, I can't stick a mask on my face when I'm doing my makeup. Anyway, it's caused some serious double takes, creates a wide range of eye looks with long wear, 2-in-1 liquid and gel pencil eyeliner. Amazonian clay infused gel pencil glides along the inner rim to define and tight line. Slick liquid eyeliner goes on glossy and dries instantly to a semi-matte, opaque finish, soft flex tip. Deposits even saturated colour, perfect for an ultra fine line or crisp cat eye. Too Faced melted latex lipstick retails at £19. Melted latex redefines lips with a honey-like texture that ensures gloss, clings to lips with a latex shine. Doe foot applicator comfortably coats and bursts of intense buildable, so you can build the colour up. Lacquered colour that lasts for hours. Exclusive technology keeps high shine lipsticks liquid for a longer wear. High impact, super rich, saturated pigment. Offers lacquer-like vibrancy and juicy shine. Stays saturated with colour. And it does show you so many colours. So maybe everyone's box will have a different one in it. I mean, if you do get this box and you do get a different colour, you know, comment down below and just say what you got. But the thing is, it says it lasts all day, but it stays sticky. I don't know about that, but you know. Anyway, let's get back to this. So the Becca, which is the brand of the month, Becca Ombre Rouge Eye Palette, which retails at £30. Awaken and energize the eyes with the Becca Ombre Rouge Eye Palette, a pigment-rich selection of 5 stunning shades designed by makeup artists. This collection of rogues allows for the effortless creation of a variety of looks featuring warm and cool undertones. This eye palette is suitable for all skin tones. The colours are perfect for dry application as an eyeliner, as well as wet application. Interesting. The addition of green coffee oil works, enhances and awakens while the built-in primer lengthens the wear of shadow. Oh, this is built-in primer. Different. These shades allow for the creation of subtle as well as bold looks, with the lightest shade also suitable as a highlight for the cheekbones and nose. Key benefits. The darkest shades suitable as an eyeliner. The middle shades help to define and sculpt the eyes and face. Wonderful for contouring. So you can not only just use it as like an eyeshadow palette, you can use it as an eyeliner and contouring and highlight. So, you know, different. Built-in primer extends the wear, suitable for all skin tones. So there you go. And the box comes all the way up to £114. So £35, £114. That's amazing. Actually, I've kept the box. I don't understand actually. The last 2 boxes I got have been silver, because I actually keep these boxes and I put my eyeshadow palettes in them so they don't fall over and get broke. So I just sit them on the side and yeah. Oh, it is Becca. Yeah, the last I think it was the last box. Yeah, I got this, and do you know what? I honestly love this. I have been using this all the time. I love it. Yeah, because we got the Too Faced like glossy there, and I've still got like all my bits. What I've been doing is I've been like saving all my bits in here, like even this eyeshadow palette. I've been saving all my bits that I've been getting, because I do want to like do videos. It's just everything's just so stressful. I've even done some workout videos, like me in the gym, mini clips of what I actually do in the gym, and I've been meaning to put it together and put it on, and I just haven't. They're there, I've still got them, I look at them every day and I just think, why have you not done it yet? But yeah, so anyway, so that is the box. Good items again, everything I am going to use, and I promise I will definitely do a follow video. I say this every time, don't I? I'm like, I bet you're thinking you're so crap, you're just not going to do it. But I will show you all. I will do it. So watch out for the follow video. So anyway, I've enjoyed doing this video even though I'm ultra tired. I hope you enjoy the video, even though I look tired. But please, if you did like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Even if you hated the goddamn video, just like, comment and subscribe, you know, because you know you want. But yeah, until next time, which will be the one using these products, I will see you.